Welcome to Keyestudio.
Hi, I am Vayan.
And I am Annie. And today we are going to tell you about this great new product.
RGB CUBE kit integrates Arduino programming and multiple sensing technology. This ultra-cool 4x4x4 RGB CUBE may boost your inspiration to create various types of light shows. With multiple sensors and modules, like button module, photoresistor, potentiometer and sound sensor, users can learn deeper about the control principle of this RGB CUBE, enabling you to design unique light shows. Despite practicing, this product offers an intriguing platform which allows you to design an intellectual lighting system and cultivates the ability to technological innovation and programming. Detailed tutorials and example codes are included in this kit, so that you understand and acquire knowledge in a better way. Beyond that, it improves your hands-on practice and innovation capabilities, cultivates technological innovation awareness and problem-solving abilities. All in all, the entire course is extremely practical and creative, providing us with an excellent opportunity to practice skills.
Integration. The kit includes 4x4x4 RGB CUBE and some sensors and modules, like button module, photoresistor, potentiometer and sound sensor, making them convenient for you to control RGB CUBE lighting. Practicality. In experiments, you can understand deeper how each sensor works and how data is acquired and processed. Thus you are able to build a lighting system by this RGB CUBE. Creativity. This kit includes detailed tutorials for each project, such as text and video guidance and codes, enabling your learning and practicing in technological innovation and problem solving. Flexibility. Arduino Leonardo, as the main control chip, is flexible and extendable to other modules, diversifying your designs and expanding knowledge. Interactivity. It provides an experimental platform and communication community to share experiences with other learners for improvement. Meanwhile, this kit contains a wealth of experimental examples and projects, which can stimulate your learning enthusiasm and enhance the understanding and application of knowledge.
And you will soon be able to buy this kit at Amazon.
But you can purchase it on our website for $38.99.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our presentation and we will see you next time. Ta-ta for now.